Hi, this is Steve again. I am driving on Ringroad number 2. As you can see, they are knocking down houses and cutting down trees to build the elevated part of the road. And also they widen the ground part of the road to 50 to 60 meters. The construction of this project started in April of 2018. It's been 2 years now. The estimated cost for the project is about 9,500 billion Vietnam dong, and the developer of this project is Ringroad, the largest property developer in Vietnam. Some parts of the route have been almost completed, as you can see in front. And also land clearance job is almost done. So I think the construction progress will be boosted up and the project will complete soon. Now, traffic on Ringroad number 2 is very heavy. It's very bad. So people expect that after completion of the elevated part, it will effectively release the traffic tension on this route, hopefully.